Hello friends, I'm Jackie Cohen, the broker owner at RE/MAX Trinity.
And I'm Mandy Vibbard, the Director of Career Development. Thanks for your interest in finding out more about our company and how we can provide the support, technology, training, and advertising clout to help you maximize the results and profitability from your own hard work and commitment.
One of the RE/MAX advantages you'll want to learn about is our Lead Street technology within RE/MAX.com, a fully functional contact and lead management system containing hundreds of automatic and customizable client incubation campaigns, reports, and tools.
We'll show you how our agents are closing transactions through free leads they've received from Lead Street on other agents' listings, and how you can have unlimited free virtual tours and web commercials for all of your listings and save hundreds and thousands of dollars annually with Lead Street's comprehensive functionality.
Let's plan to visit at your convenience and see if we can't make 2011 your best year ever in real estate. We would love the opportunity to show you the RE/MAX Trinity advantages to help you embrace passionate excellence in real estate. Once you give one of us a call or an email today, you can reach us at 817-870-1600. Thank you.
Thank you.